If the founders of Google asked you to be their partner 10 years ago and offered you a piece of the company in exchange for a small contribution to the business's first-year expenses, would you immediately jump on the opportunity? The answer is yes, because you know Google earns billions of dollars today. Here's a simple proposal that has a very small window of opportunity and would drastically improve the life of you and your family. By joining Cybertrack, you will be part of a large but limited community of members that all share in the growth and profits of the next leader in the tracking device industry. Let me ask you a question. If Cybertrack would have the lowest prices on the market and be the most accurate provider of tracking devices and tracking data for all consumer and commercial applications, including vehicles, people, and pets, and would have the largest advertising budget of all the tracking device companies out there, would you want to be a part of that? You would be one of thousands of members that promote Cybertrack on Google and social media networks. Imagine that. Thousands of promoters all working for one unified goal. That goal is to become the world leader in GPS and cellular tracking. It is estimated that there are 260 million vehicles in the US alone, along with 74 million children under age 18 and 78 million pet dogs. With Cybertrack, logistics companies can track their fleets, parents can be sure their teenage drivers are under the speed limit, and anyone can have peace of mind that their property, pets, and people are in the right place. Now imagine that the company capitalizing on this limitless market has the lowest costs available, the biggest advertising budget of any competitor, paid for by the minimal monthly contributions of its members, doesn't have to pay employees, and has thousands of people promoting it organically through social media, giving it a viral online presence. Do you agree that it would be the world's next leader in tracking devices? If you answered yes, you are a visionary, and we want your help to make this vision a reality. Want to know more? Visit our website to register, cybertrack18.com.